Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever heard of the Lost Gospel of Thomas? It's a hidden gem that was removed from the original Bible, containing powerful teachings from Jesus himself. Today, we're diving deep into the wisdom of this lost gospel, exploring profound insights on the law of attraction, miracles, and the incredible power of human emotion. Stick around, because this might just be the missing piece you've been searching for. Welcome back, seekers of truth. I'm thrilled to be discussing a topic that brings me immense joy, the Lost Gospel of Thomas. This gospel is like a treasure trove of wisdom, offering insights into the very words attributed to Jesus of Nazareth. He wasn't just a religious figure, but a profound thinker, exploring concepts beyond the tangible world we see and touch. Think of our world as a mirror with two sides. One reflects our immediate reality, while the other unveils the hidden forces shaping what we sense. Today, let's unravel the deep thoughts shared by Jesus and understand how we can awaken our awareness to become creators, much like gods, as Plato once suggested. In the enigmatic and often overlooked pages of the Lost Gospel of Thomas lies a reservoir of profound teachings attributed to Jesus of Nazareth. This gospel, excluded from the original Bible, provides a unique perspective on the concepts of divine wishes, the superconscious mind, miracles, and the power of human consciousness to shape our reality. In this exploration, we will dissect these teachings, delving into the mystical dimensions of the superconscious mind, the intricate tapestry of parallel worlds, and the transformative potential embedded in the kingdom within. Jesus introduces us to the concept of a divine wish, a cosmic force capable of granting our deepest desires. To access this force, he speaks of the superconscious mind, a realm beyond our immediate understanding, where a different reality, separate from our known world, is poised to take shape. This echoes scientific theories of parallel worlds, suggesting that in these superconscious realms, countless possibilities exist, each manifesting a unique version of ourselves, living varied aspects of life, rich or poor, healthy or sick, heartbroken or fulfilled. The implication here is that we possess the power to influence and create these diverse realities. It challenges our conventional understanding of the limitations of our existence, urging us to explore the untapped potential within the recesses of our consciousness. The term miracle often evokes images of otherworldly events orchestrated by a powerful deity. However, the Lost Gospel of Thomas sheds light on a different perspective. Miracles, as Jesus presents them, are not supermagical occurrences, but are deeply connected to our humanity. Every historical miracle, he contends, involves a person, a vessel through which the extraordinary emerges. Crucially, Jesus emphasizes that these miracles aren't external interventions by a distant God, but are manifestations of something special within each of us. Faith, even in its smallest measure, becomes the catalyst for these transformative events. This challenges us to reconsider the source of our power and recognize the inherent divinity within, capable of reshaping our reality through unwavering belief. Despite its removal from the original Bible, the Lost Gospel of Thomas resurfaces, emphasizing a universal truth: what needs to be known will come to light, regardless of attempts to conceal it. This invites us to question the forces that determine what is included or excluded from religious texts, and prompts a deeper exploration into the teachings that guide us to the fundamental purpose of our existence: learning how to create the life we desire. As we navigate the diverse landscapes of various religions, we find common ground in the Golden Rule, a principle shared by Jesus and many other faiths. It becomes a cornerstone for understanding the law of attraction, urging us to treat others as we wish to be treated. The reciprocity of desires, wherein our intentions not only benefit us but contribute to the well-being of others, amplifies the power of our aspirations. Small, selfish wants are juxtaposed against the potency of big dreams that extend beyond individual gratification. Here, the teachings of Jesus align with the principles of the law of attraction, emphasizing the interconnectedness of our desires and the collective consciousness. Directly engaging with the words of Jesus in the Lost Gospel of Thomas unveils profound teachings. The statement, "Whoever finds meaning in these words will not taste death," encapsulates two fundamental principles. Firstly, it challenges the conventional notion of death, asserting that it does not exist as commonly understood. Beyond physical demise, it symbolizes the end of suffering and discomfort, an escape from the illusions that bind us. Secondly, Jesus asserts that we are the creators of our reality, shaping it with the power of our minds. Seeking, even in the face of adversity, becomes the key to gaining control over our lives and molding our reality according to our desires. This concept encourages us to question why our lives may not align with our aspirations. It prompts introspection into whether, at some point, we settled for what we had instead of relentlessly pursuing what we truly wanted. Jesus challenges the notion that life gives us what we want, asserting that it offers what we tolerate. Accepting poverty, discomfort, and unsatisfactory relationships may inadvertently attract more of the same, a poignant reminder of the role our beliefs play in shaping our experiences. Jesus introduces the concept of the kingdom, a mental realm where anything is possible. Living in the present becomes paramount, as the past and future are dismissed as mere illusions. The kingdom, he suggests, is within us. Finding it requires focusing on what we want in the present moment, believing that we already possess it. This transcendent understanding invites a radical shift in perspective. It prompts us to view the present moment not as a bridge between the past and the future, but as the epicenter of our creative power. In this mental space, the laws of attraction and manifestation are at play, responding to our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. Understanding the kingdom within encourages us to live with intentionality, filtering out the negativity that often clouds our minds. The biblical narrative of Adam and Eve in Genesis is cited as a cautionary tale against getting caught up in a binary perception of good and bad. It encourages us to focus on the good, recognizing that dwelling on negativity can create unnecessary problems in our lives. The kingdom within also emphasizes the importance of prayer, not as a supplication to an external deity, but as a tool to align our thoughts with our desires. This resonates with the teachings of St. Paul, who suggests continuous prayer as a means to maintain a connection with the divine and stay attuned to the inner rules governing our reality. At the core of various religious teachings, including those of Jesus, lies the golden rule: treat others as you want to be treated. However, a nuanced addition emerges: ensure that your desires not only benefit you, but contribute to the well-being of others. This elevation of intentionality transcends individual desires and aligns with the idea that small, selfish wants lack the transformative power of big dreams that encompass the collective good. This principle, crucial for the law of attraction, emphasizes the interconnectedness of our desires and their impact on the collective consciousness. It urges us to think beyond personal gain and consider how our aspirations can contribute to the betterment of the larger community. In conclusion, the exploration of the Lost Gospel of Thomas and the teachings of Jesus takes us on a transformative journey. The enigmatic concepts of divine wishes, the superconscious mind, miracles, and the kingdom within challenge our conventional understanding of reality. They invite us to recognize the power within, the potential for transformation inherent in our consciousness. The Lost Gospel of Thomas, despite its historical removal, resurfaces as a testament to the resilience of truth. It emphasizes that what needs to be known will come to light despite efforts to conceal it. This challenges us to question the narrative surrounding religious texts and encourages a deeper exploration of the teachings that guide us toward the fundamental purpose of our existence. In the tapestry of religious perspectives, the Golden Rule emerges as a unifying principle, urging us to consider the collective impact of our desires. It aligns with the law of attraction, emphasizing that the power of big dreams extends beyond personal gratification, encompassing the well-being of the broader community. As we unravel the teachings of the lost Gospel of Thomas and reflect on the wisdom of Jesus, we are beckoned to live with intentionality. The kingdom within becomes a mental space where the laws of attraction respond to our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. It encourages us to shape our reality consciously, recognizing that our beliefs, desires, and actions play a pivotal role in the creation of the life we seek. The journey into the depths of these teachings is not merely an intellectual exercise, but a call to transformative action. It prompts us to question, seek, and continuously align our thoughts with our desires. In the words of St. Paul, it encourages continuous prayer, a connection with the divine, and a tuning into the inner rules that govern our reality. In essence, the lost Gospel of Thomas and the wisdom of Jesus present a roadmap for those on a quest for self-discovery and personal growth. The key lies in understanding our power, embracing unwavering faith, and living with purpose. As we navigate the intricate landscapes of our consciousness, we are reminded that we have the ability to shape our reality and create the life we truly deserve. The journey continues, and the path unfolds with each intentional thought, each conscious belief, and each transformative action. As Jesus said, finding that kingdom inside is crucial. It's the key to abundance. Understand your power, know the inner rules, and live with purpose, just like St. Paul suggested with continuous prayer. Remember, you have the ability to shape your reality and create the life you deserve. Don't just think about it. Take action and embrace the magic and synchronicity that true faith brings to your life. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the truth.